Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's D Wade here, Derek. Just doing a product review on the Ninja Foodie air fryer toaster oven John that I got on Amazon. Um, it's pretty expensive if you see it, but I'm sure, like, if you know Ninja products, all their products are great. Like, I've had their blender since 2014, still use it. It's 2020 and it's still kicking. But I do most of my meal prep just out of this oven alone and on my stovetop. And I can cook pretty much almost any meal in 30 minutes or less. Like meal prep, any meal in 30 minutes or less. Like 12 meals just knocked out just like that. Um, so yeah, as you can see, it's gotten pretty dirty because it gets a lot of use, but rack at the bottom. It comes with a thin, like, baking sheet, and then the air fryer basket is pretty shallow, but it's a toaster oven, so like it has a lot of surface area. All the functions: air fry, air roast. That's what I use for most of my meal preps. The air roast function. Air broil is nice for, I don't know, like browning carnitas. Bake. Everyone knows what that is. Dehydrate. You can make your own, like, jerkies, fruit crisps, like apple chips, banana chips, pretty much anything you want to dry out. Keep warm, just keeping things warm while other things are cooking, or if you want to keep a plate warm until someone comes over. Toast and bagel, obviously pretty straightforward. But yeah, only 5 buttons. It flips up if you do keep it on a counter, if you have more counter space than I do. But if you want to, like, maximize your counter space, or if you need to do some deep cleaning, you can lift it all the way up. I'm not going to do it now because it's going to fall over, but yeah. A nice little stand back here. There will be a link in the description to take you straight to the product on Amazon. But yeah, thanks for watching. It's about $200, maybe 200 to $300, depending on when and where you buy it from. But Amazon, there'll be a link in the description. Yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.